Hey guys, happy Friday. Got the shop truck behind me here in the garage to do a much needed heater core. So driving down the road the other day, the heater core started pouring inside the truck. Good thing I installed those shut-off valves you see there that I got so much crap for, because I simply just shut them off and kept on trucking. And you'll say, oh, well, it was the rigid pipe that caused it. Well, no, it's got flex connections there. And it's got nothing to do with the fact the heater core's been sitting rotting for 25 years, much like the radiator was, and we had to do that. So today we got the shut-off valve, so I don't have to drain the system down, just what's in the what's left in the heater core, and we'll get rocking and rolling and get this thing ripped apart. All right, here is the heater core pulled out from the inside of the truck. As you can see, we had a little bit of a failure and tenderness on that bottom corner. Probably just from buildup over time, debris and stuff sitting in there and staying wet. And that's kind of where it came from. Now, this truck doesn't have air conditioning, so simple actually to remove it. I had one bolt break, which whatever, we can fix that. It's right here. But everything else came off. The other 4 bolts came right off. This thing pulled out, disconnected my my heater controls. Take note of where those are. Now we'll get this core swapped out and that broken bolt, and we'll get her back in. Well, there she be. The new heater core is installed in the heater box, and next step is to get this baby bolted back into the shop truck and top off the coolant, fill her up, bleed her out. Be back in business. There we go, guys. New heater core installed, shop truck, good to go. Good thing I put those shut-off valves in there. Made it pretty simple to change. Something that would have taken a lot longer. Only took about, I don't know, 45 minutes. So, there you have it. The fact that it had no AC obviously makes it a lot easier. That's basic heater core on a C10 without AC. Super easy, straightforward change out.